Today we are gonna explain to you how to create a sumo bot and a hockey bot, step by step.
Step 1. Set up the power. Connect your batteries in series to the boost converter. Add a switch on the positive line and adjust the converter with a screwdriver while monitoring with a multimeter until you hit 12 volts. Step 2. Wire the motor driver. Attach the boost converter's positive output to the 12 volts terminal and the negative output to GND on the driver. Next, step 3. Connect your motors. Secure both left and right motors to outputs 1 through 4 on the driver. Don't worry about the wire colors. You'll control the rotation in the coding. Going to step 4. Next is to wire the Arduino Nano. Connect the motor driver's 5 volts output to the Nano's VIN and GND to GND. Then attach the driver control pins ENA to D11, IN1 to IN4, to D10 and D7, and ENB to D6. Remember, powering via VIN keeps the board safe. Now step 5, add the IR sensor. Connect its out to D5 and then VCC to 5 volts and ground to ground. Now, after IR sensor, let's go to ultrasonic sensor. Step 6. Hook up the ultrasonic sensor for distance sensing. Wire VCC to 5 volts, ground to ground, trigger to D4, echo to D3. You can merge its VCC and GND lines with other modules. Going to step 7. We're gonna add the Bluetooth module. To add the Bluetooth module, connect VCC and EN to 5 volts, ground to ground, RX to TX, and TX to RX on the Arduino Nano. No voltage divider needed. This module supports 5 volts logic.